whole number and focusing on adding and subtracting. I know you've done this in previous years, but it's just a recap for us to ensure we're still confident with both of these. So, if in your big books you can write the heading Gwaith dosbarth, adding and subtracting whole numbers and today's date, and then we will start. So, first things first, in maths we need to know all the different words for adding and subtracting. You may already know these, but if we can just make a note of them in our big books just to jog our memories. So words we could potentially use for adding: more than, plus, total, sum, increase. Then for subtracting: less than, take away, minus, difference, decrease. These are particularly important in worded problems, where they're not going to tell you necessarily the sign. They may ask you for the total of different items or the difference between two values. So, sight heading examples then please, and if you can write the first one out as it appears here. 25,796 plus 8,998. So we know with adding and subtracting, the most efficient method is the column or tower method. Really important that we line the numbers up by their correct place value. So 25,796 plus 8,998. Always starting on our unit. 6 add 8 is 14, 4 down carry 1. 9 add 9 is 18, and the one we carried is 90. 9 down carry 1. 7 and 9 is 16, and the one we carried 17. 7 down carry 1. 5 add 8 is 13, and the one we carried 14. 4 down carry 1. 2 add 1 is 3. So equals 34,794. Example 2. What is the sum, of 154,306, 19,782 and 507. Again, it doesn't matter that there's 3 numbers, we lay them out in our tower sum. 154,306, add 19,782, and then add 507. Starting on our unit, 6 add 2 is 8, add 7 is 15, 5 down carry 1. 8 add the one we carried is 9. 3 add 7 is 10, add 5 is 15, 5 down carry 1. 4 add 9 is 13, and the one we carried 14, 4 down carry 1. 5 add 1 is 6, and the one we carried 7. 1 add nothing is 1. So we get an answer of 174,595. Okay, moving on then to some subtracting examples. So this time, order is really important. The largest number is going on the top in the order that we read the question. So 23,791, take away 9,994. Starting in our units column again, 1 take away 4 we can't do, so we have to borrow from next door. The 9 becomes 8. 1 becomes 11. 11 take away 4 is 7. 8 take away 9, again we can't do that, so we borrow from the 7 which becomes 6. 18 take away 9 is 9. 6 take away 9 we can't do, so we borrow from the 3 which becomes 2. 16 take away 9 is 7. 2 take away 9, again we can't do that, so we borrow from the 2 which becomes 1. 12 take away 9 is 3. 1 take away nothing is 1. Sometimes in a test we can rush and forget about this last digit, so it may help you to pop a 0 in there, so you remember to do that last step, 13,797. Last example then, what is the difference between 53,825 and 98,000? So this time 53,825 comes first. However, in our tower sum, the largest number always goes on the top. So we're starting with 98,000 and we're taking away 53,825. 0 take away 5 we cannot do, so we need to borrow. We can't go next door, so we need to go all the way up to the 8. 8 becomes 7, we then give next door to the 0, which becomes 10. Borrow off the 10, which becomes 9, give to the 0, which becomes 10. Borrow off the 10, which becomes 9, give to the 0, which becomes 10. 10 take away 5 is 5, 9 take away 2 is 7, 9 take away 8 is 1, 7 take away 3 is 4, 9 take away 5 is 4. So our answer is 44,175. So hopefully you've copied all of them examples down into your big book, and now the assignment task will be set for you.